Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please subscribe down below. Give this video a like, and today we're going to be doing this, I don't know, pastel glitter cut crease thing. I don't know what you'd call it. We had a little slip up right in the middle, trying to use body glitter. It was so pretty, it had these like moons in it and everything, and I thought it would look so pretty on the eyes. But unfortunately it was in gel, so that's going to be a no, sis. Anyways, I just want to give a big shout out to Jennifer Metcalf. She has her own channel here on YouTube. Hers is actually super similar to mine, so if you enjoy my videos, then I think you'll enjoy her videos. She just did a 100 subscriber giveaway, which I won, and she's going to be doing one for every 100 subscribers she gets, and she's at like 150 right now, so she's super close to her 200 mark, which means another giveaway. I suggest you don't miss out on that, especially if you like my videos. You will like her videos also. If you're the first person to comment on this video, you will get a shout out in my next video, so don't miss out on that. Don't forget that I am doing a 500 subscriber giveaway that ends on the 1st of October. All you have to do is be a US citizen, so head over to my 500 subscriber giveaway. Go ahead and give that video a like. Leave a comment with your Instagram handle and the palette you'd like to receive if you win. That's all you have to do, and you are automatically entered. On the 1st, I will take all of the comments, put the names on a wheel or name generator, whatever you want to call it, pick a name, and whoever wins, I will go out and get that palette, and then I will ship it out to you as soon as I get it. So don't miss out on that. So we're going to dig into this purple color right here. You can't even see it right here. We're going to pop it on the inner corner. Okay, I'm going to go into this green right here. This looks really pretty in my head, but we'll see if it turns out. You know, sometimes it's one of those things where you envision it one way and then it turns out another, and you're just like, oh. Okay, well. I'm going to go back into that purple. I'm going to go back into that green. A little bit of this blue. On another brush. Give me a second here. I've been sleeping all day. I feel like it's throwing my mood off a little bit, but honestly, it's like exactly what I needed. I'm so tired, like all the time. I'm just generally exhausted. Go back into that green. I'm going to cut my crease. Okay, now I'm going to go into Jawbreaker right here. Just pack it on the lid, nice and thick. I'm going to take the green again. Place it. Oh, I'm going into the wrong green. That's why. Okay, well. Either way, it's light and it's there now. I accidentally went into sour, so go back into cute. was looking at that like, why is that green so not the color I had? Because cute is more of like a blue-green, and sour is like green. Okay, so I'm going to take some glitter glue. I'm going to pack it on the eye, right over top of Jawbreaker, and then I'm going to go into this glitter. This is face and body glitter. I'm going to take it on my eye. It's gel, so that might help it stick, but also I just put that glitter glue down, so hopefully that'll help it stick also. Oh, it is so like gummy. They could have done without the gel. Well, that's not going over well. Well, that didn't turn out the way I wanted it, but I do have purple glitter I'm going to stick on here, and a little bit of blue glitter I'm also going to stick on here. We'll see how that works. You ever get like a long hair on your shoulder, like your own hair, and it feels like a spider or something? You like start freaking out. Okay, first of all, that body glitter was a bad idea. I guess I'm just going to try and see if I can let that eye dry. I'm going to do my other eye, my eyeliner, my face makeup off camera, and I will be right back. Alright, we're going to finish off the bottom of the eyes. So clearly we got past the little issue we had before. I'm going to go into this purple. Okay, and now I'm going to go into this blue. And then, just for a little bit, we're going to go into this green. Okay. I'm going to back you up and put on some mascara. Apparently my children are killing each other. I'm going to put on a nude lip right here. Alright guys, that is the finished look. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Leave a comment down below letting me know what you'd like to see next. I know the body glitter didn't work out too great, but I feel like I saved it with the craft glitter, and it looks pretty good, so yeah. Don't forget to enter my 500 subscriber giveaway. All you have to do is be a US citizen, head over to my 500 subscriber giveaway video, leave a comment letting me know what palette you'd like to receive if you won, and your Instagram handle so you can be entered, and that's all you have to do. On the 1st, I will be picking a name, and whatever name I pick, I will buy that palette, and I will ship it out as soon as I get it. So I get it too. If you're the first person to comment on this video, you will get a shout out in my next video, so don't miss out on that. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.